Hi guys, 30 days to CAT. Nervous, anxious, tense, no confidence. It's okay. It's very much normal. ये सबके साथ होता है. And जब भी exam नजदीक आती है, whenever you're close to your exam, these things will happen. Now, in this video, I'm not going to talk about strategies and fundamentals and what you should do, what you should not do, 30 days to CAT, blah blah blah. I'm not going to talk any of that thing. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys. I want to connect to you all on a very different tangent altogether. So today, I just want to talk to you as a friend of yours. As simple as that. Now, होगा कि नहीं होगा ये जो क्वेश्चन है ना, ये ऑलवेज आएगा लाइफ में. आज एमबीए के बारे में, तुम एमबीए ज्वाइन करो, कोई बड़ा बी स्कूल ज्वाइन करो, तब भी क्वेश्चन आएगा प्लेसमेंट होगा कि नहीं होगा. प्लेसमेंट होने के बाद बोनस मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, उसके बाद प्रमोशन होगा कि नहीं होगा, राइट? सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑलवेज गोना बी देयर इन एवरीवन्स लाइफ. देयर इज नथिंग न्यू अबाउट इट. द ओनली थिंग इज दैट हाउ डू यू डील विद इट. यू एक्सेप्ट इट, लीव अहेड, और यू काइंड ऑफ फाइट फॉर इट. सिंपल. नाउ इट्स वेरी इजी. अभी फिलहाल बहुत इजी है. कैट छोड़ दो. Abhi at this hour you can decide, you know what, I don't want to do CAT, I can go for HMAT, I can go for ZAT, I can go for IFT, I can go for CT. CT तो बड़ा कूल है यार, 6 महीने है, बहुत सारी पढ़ाई हो सकती है, बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत कर सकते हैं. और आई थिंक ये ऐसा ही होता है. जब भी कोई एग्जाम 6 महीना 7 महीना एक टाइम पीरियड होता है, कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत ज्यादा होता है, बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस होता है. जब एग्जाम नजदीक आती है, कॉन्फिडेंस की धज्जियां उड़ जाती है. नाउ द पॉइंट इज दैट हाउ डू डील विद इट. सी इट्स वेरी इजी टू लीव CAT and go for another exam, as I said earlier, right? But I want you guys to kind of be with me for next 5 minutes and just think about it. Now let's go into the past. थोड़ा flashback करते हैं. 5 महीना पहले, 4 महीना पहले चलते हैं. When you literally started for your preparation for MBA. So when you started, you had only one dream. कि you know what? IIM चलना है. IIM तो करना ही करना है. If not IIM, तो यार top 20 बिल्कुल तो करना ही करना है. Because we all do MBA because we want to be better in our life. Definitely. Some of you are very much competent. They want only, Holy Trinity. Some of you just want in FMS. That's a good thing. But me do MBA so that we get better, right? So that was the decision 5 months now. I mean, like 5 months, before. Now the situation is that we're not even sure. Kya hoga kya? The problem is that we're kind of scared about this competition. I can give a classic example. The problem with this thing is that, why do we have these kind of thoughts? Because we somewhere have lost the purpose. That purpose is very much important. So I tell you, Monday ko we are like, as an example, Monday को हमें बहुत ज़्यादा confidence आया हमें. We are decided कि यार अभी IMC करेंगे लाइफ में और कुछ नहीं, फिर top 20 SP JN FMS MD and all that. फिर क्या होता है ना कि एक छोटा सा RC, एक छोटा सा क्वांट का क्वेश्चन या फिर एक DILR का कोई सेट, वो आपको इतना डीमोटिवेट कर देता है, वो आपकी इतनी प्रॉब्लम खड़ी कर देता है आपके लिए कि यार उसकी वजह से एक छोटा सा एक शिटी बिकॉज ऑफ दैट LRDI क्वेश्चन, यू चेंज योर करियर गोल्स, यू चेंज योर ड्रीम्स एंड यू स्टॉप चेजिंग योर ड्रीम्स. आई मीन that's really big thing, right? So this is what is really important, that we need to understand the purpose. And that is the reason for the fact Monday को डर लगता है. IIMs के बारे में सोचा, DILR करा, डर लग गया. ट्यूसडे को बोला इन्वाइट करेंगे, वेडनेसडे को स्नैप करेंगे, फिर अपने बोला थर्सडे को हम CET करेंगे. So the problem is with the purpose. I want you all to have that purpose. That's why we are going to go for CAT. See, आपको भी पता है, मुझे भी पता है, सबको पता है, CAT is going to be a career changer. CAT is going to change your career, that's for sure. The only thing is that how do you tackle for the next 30 days, right? How do you tackle it? And that's what I'm going to talk to you now. See, it's all about feelings, right? Now, a lot of people will tell you slog for 15 hours and 20 hours and 24 hours and 20, whatever hours. But trust me, you also know it that even if you study for 24 hours without having that purpose in your mind or without even feeling for it, it's useless, it's in vain. But you have a purpose, you want something in your life, you really feel for it, 2 घंटा 3 घंटा पढ़ाई करो, काफी है, ज़्यादा है, you will be able to achieve your dreams. As simple as that. So that's the problem, that's the point now, right? You felt for IIM so strongly, but now you want to give up because you are just scared of these chota mota sets. You are just scared of all, and I'm not saying you target 99.99, even at 90 percentile you're getting KJ Somaya, right? And same KJ Somaya from CET is at 99.66. Though I don't want you to aim for KJ Somaya, I want you to definitely aim for IIMs, but catch me for the next 30 days. Just give yourself this promise that, what? Next 30 days, I'm going to play very hard. I'm only going to talk about IIMs and top 20. I'm not going to think about anything else in my life. See, it's a very simple example. Whenever you talk about, one day I'll drive Mercedes, Bentley, Audi, BMW, Tesla, whatever, or one day, I will be, partying in Bahamas, having vacation, in 7-star and blah, blah, blah. It gives you a great feeling. Just because of that feeling, you feel positive, you feel motivated, you want to do something which is unimaginable. You want to make impossible possible. Why? Just because of that feeling gives you purpose. The only thing is that हम थोड़ा सा डर गए हैं, थोड़ा सा भटक गए कि यार कैट नहीं होगा पता नहीं, बहुत सारा कंपटीशन है. लीव कंपटीशन, डोंट इवन वरी अबाउट कंपटीशन. Just think about yourself, because your paper, you are the only one who's gonna write, and you are the only one who's gonna decide or design your destiny on 24th of November. Nobody else in the market, nobody else. To be very honest, nobody cares a fuck about it. That तुमने किया क्या? They just want to see where you land up. As simple as that. So now it's all up to you that how do you go ahead with this. मैंने कहा बहुत easy है, तो छोड़ दो, बाकी के एग्जाम करो या फिर मेहनत करो अगले 30 दिन के लिए. But it's just that you got to feel it, you got to have that purpose. Now I'll tell you one example of my life. At the age of 19, I was homeless guy. I had no parents to look after, I had no friends, I had no resources, no amenities. I was all on my own. I had two choices at that point in time in my life, being a 19-year-old guy. Simple सी बात है, जो भी लाइफ में है, जो भी चल रहा है, जो भी मिल रहा है, उसको ले लो, चलो आगे. Just live your life the way people live, the taboos and all that. On the other hand, I had an option that what, just go ahead from all the taboos, try to work hard for your dreams, right? Run behind them, try to achieve them, and just think about them. I chose the second part. That's what I want to tell you today, is that you have a dream, you can still work it out. Still, it is possible for the next 30 days that you can crack that. It's just that you got to feel it. For the next 30 days, if you are somebody who strongly wants to change his or her life, you want to change your life for the next goddamn 30 days, can you just think about yourself getting into IIMs? It's a great feeling. It's a great feeling. Just imagine yourself in one of the IIM, A, B, C, Lucknow, Kozhikode, whatever it is. Just think about you being in the top talent of the country. It gives you a great feeling. Just imagine yourself joining Goldman, McKinsey, Morgan, joining Bain and Company after MBA. It's a great feeling, guys. It's a great feeling. So for the next 30 days, can you all just think about it? Can you all just kind of tell yourself every single day, every single minute that I'm CAT कर रहा हूँ because I want to get better in my life. I am doing CAT because I want to join big corporates. I am going for CAT because I want to join IIMs. बहुत हो गया एवरेज लाइफ. लाइक पीपल टॉक अबाउट 10th में मुझे इतना कमाया, 12th में मुझे इतना कमाया, ग्रेजुएशन में इतना कमाया, मुझे तो मैथ्स नहीं आता, मुझे तो वर्बल नहीं आता. इट्स ओके. ये सब एक्सक्यूजेस और कितना देना है लाइफ में, राइट? अभी फुल स्टॉप. इसके बाद एक्सक्यूज नहीं चाहिए कि मुझे वर्बल नहीं आता था, मेरा नहीं हुआ. No excuse. Can you just for next 30 days stay positive and go for CAT? Trust me, miracles do happen. Yes, miracles do happen. They do happen if you're worthy of it. And how can you be worthy of it? Only when you know how to slog, and only when you slog it, but keeping that feeling and purpose in your mind. It's possible, it's doable. A homeless guy like me can do it. Guys, you're like damn good. You can do it. Trust me. And I think we all are privileged. You all are privileged because you can still go for CAT. There are so many students in India, they can't even afford proper education. So मेरे ख्याल से, if by God's grace and by parents' blessing, if we have this opportunity, let's not ruin it, let's not screw it. Next 30 days I'm asking आपके life के, only 30 days. क्या 30 days हम positive नहीं रह सकते? क्या 30 days हम slog नहीं कर सकते? क्या 30 days हम सिर्फ IIMs के बारे में नहीं सोच सकते? हम सोच सकते हैं. So if you are somebody who wants to change your life, come join me for the next 30 days. If you really want to join, if you want to kind of change your life, put the comment that yes, you are ready for it. I am now coming up with an initiative that's called as 30-day pledge. I'm not giving up on CAT, and I will not let my students give up on CAT. For the next 30 days, pledge करना है कि यार IIMs के बारे में सोचेंगे और कुछ नहीं सोचेंगे. For the next 30 days. So I'm launching this program. It's a free program for all of you out there, wherein I will be uploading every day motivational videos, strategy videos, verbal strategy, DIR strategy, quant strategy, quants के free tutorials जिसके लिए आपको पे भी नहीं करना है. I just want for next fucking 30 days you stay positive, as simple as that, and try only for the IIM. So if you're somebody who is ready to change his life, put the comment on the video and say that yes, I'm in. I take the pledge for the next 30 odd days. I'm only and only going to think about IIMs or top 20 B school, and I'm going to make my life better, and I'm going to make my parents, my loved ones proud of myself. So what's the main question? होगा कि नहीं होगा, right? होगा कि नहीं होगा? देखो एक सिंपल सी बात है, ये होगा कि नहीं होगा ना, ये आपका जिंदगी पर डिपेंड है।